Hi parents, this is a quick video to show you what it looks like to check your child's work. So you're going to have them log on to Clever, and once they're on here, you're going to click on iReady. It's going to sign them in, apparently slowly. And then you're going to choose a subject, okay? So we have assignments this week on both math and reading. We have 4 on math and 2 on reading. I am choosing a student that I know has not done any work on here yet, but I'm not showing their name, okay? When you click on math, okay, it's going to have 4 things at the bottom. It talks about the lesson, or the lessons are over here that I have assigned. Here it looks like, what is iReady? It's an introduction for families. You guys can watch this. Okay, your child is allowed to play learning games on here, but please make sure they are playing the games after they have done their daily lessons, and these are different. They don't actually get credit for these, but they do help them learn. Okay, so these are the lessons. What you're going to look down here is the one that says My Progress. And you can see because the student has not been on here yet, they have done no work, no minutes. And here is the number of lessons passed. So today their number should be 2 because I'm assigning 1 a week. So 1 for Monday, 1 for Tuesday. Sorry, 1 a day, not 1 a week. 1 for Wednesday and 1 for Thursday. So there should be 4 total by the end of the week. There's none on Friday, so if they're a little behind, they have a day to catch up. Okay. Now up at the top, I'm sorry, you can't see because I'm blocking out the student's name for their privacy. But up at the top left, there's a button that says math and there's a button that says reading. So if you want to click over to reading, you can see, same thing. It shows their reading lessons, how many minutes they've spent on it, and how many lessons they have completed. Okay, and you can see here has their reading lesson and that introduction. So if you click on the lesson, it will... can check the objectives, what is it they're supposed to learn, and then they can go through the lesson. I don't want to do this because the student hasn't done it yet. Okay, so that is, so again, they can easily switch over and you guys can check. And up at the top right corner, there's actually a button that says Family Center. I have not clicked on this before. But it looks like some great stuff, and it looks like it's mostly in English, but here's some like questions, information about iReady, how can you support your child. So please, oh, look at this up at the top. Oops. It does have Spanish for my Spanish speaking families. Okay, so you guys can switch over to Spanish. Yay, bienvenido. Usted puede aprender. My Spanish is horrible. Okay, so that's for you. So parents, I hope this helps explain a little bit more about your child and what they should be doing. Again, there are both reading and math assignments each week, and you guys can check their progress right here, okay? So please be checking on them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help and support. Have a good day.